Good day, people. Welcome to the Canadian Motorcycle Show. I've been waiting for this, and what it is, it's the Purple Panda Microphone. Let's see what's all in here first. You can get them on Amazon, about 28 bucks Canadian. Let's see what's all in here. Another mic clip, don't need. The mic itself with a mic clip on it, and I don't need that, so remove that mic clip. Okay, extra cord, which I don't need really, but we'll tuck it up in the helmet. A Y cable, so you can, if you wanted to, you could plug in a set of headphones, I guess. An extra cable, which I might use sometime for something else. So let's put that back in the pouch. All we're going to use is a Purple Panda mic and the dead pussy or kitty. Which should we call it? Dead pussy or kitty? I'm going to cut it open. My fingers aren't great. I'm going to use it. So, let's fit that over top of the mic. Where's... I've been trying to get the best sound I can. What I'm using is the Ghost Drift XL camera. I like them because they have a 9-hour battery life, and a GoPro is like 45 minutes. And on a motorbike, that just doesn't cut it. I got two of these drift cameras, one pointed up at me on the bike, which you'll see later, and one watching the road from my helmet. This is the helmet one. This is a Nolan helmet, and it's got a sound system already in it. Peel this off. What I had in it for a mic, I thought it would be good. It was an Olympus stereo microphone, but didn't quite give out the sound I wanted. So let's pull that out and tuck our Purple Panda in. Here's our, this is what I was using. It's an Olympus, sorry, and it's stereo. It was about 55 bucks a few years ago, but I wasn't quite satisfied with the sound out of it. Just gonna wonder which side. Is there a side to it? Yeah, there is. I'm going to pull it out of here. Which side is... Oh, I don't think it matters. Looks like it's both. Okay, put the sock back on, or the pussy. See if I can get it in the hole on the pussy cat here. I've always had trouble getting it in the hole. Swear it was too big for the hole, just like me. But hey, what can I say? So we're gonna have to tuck the rest of these wires away. I'm gonna take these off, don't need them up in there. Just taking up room. We'll get her tucked away. Okay. So I want to put the mic in the cheek pad. Okay, I got this extra cable here. I got to make sure I got enough cable. There, that should be enough. And we'll tuck this extra cable back in here too. Or I don't need it. You need enough cable you can flip up the helmet. Now, to get this all to fit back in, where's my... pull that through. Make sure. Where is my little mic? Huh. trying to tuck this extra cord in out of the way. I don't need. They're a great helmet. I really like my Nolan. You know, everybody has their preference. But I kind of like my Nolan. Oops. There. Now, there. Now I want to make sure that this doesn't flop around in the wind, so I'm going to take some tape and just tape it down. Just electrical tape. I don't like damaging anything, putting more holes in anything, gluing things on that they can't come off without damaging. Do it simple, and if you don't like something, you can redo it. Is my theory. There. That should hold it. Now I put a tape around the connection too, so it doesn't pull apart as easy. And it keeps it a little more watertight too, I guess. Not that I ride in rain that much. So, we're going to take this puppy out for a ride in a little while and see what it's like. That's a Purple Panda installed on a Nolan. I like my Nolan helmets. I have two of them with complete sound systems. The other's a modular too, but a different modular. This can come off, the shield can come off, it can be an open face. This one can be an open face also, but, oops, come on. Oh. You put it up there and you travel with it open face and you lock it open. But then the camera is right out of whack when you do that. This is riding position with the camera. And I'm hoping that this Purple Panda will be a better sounding mic in my helmet. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching that little fumbling and mess I made. I don't think it was the greatest install I ever did in my life, but hey, we'll try it. So if you like, hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment below. I will get a video posted today of the Purple Panda in action out on the road. See how much wind noise it picks up and how good it is. Everybody's raving about this Purple Panda, so I thought I'd try it for 27 bucks, and hopefully I'll have better sound, because sound is 3/4 of the presentation. So it's the Canadian Motorcycle Show. We'll get back to you later in the day. Bye-bye.